All right, it's time for one of the greatest watches for hiking and biking and exploring. This Timex Expedition. I love this thing. Look at this view. But yeah, this is one of my favorite watches. I've had it for quite some time, and it still looks brand new, and it's stylish, so you can wear it if you're dressed up. And but it'll take some abuse. Look at this, sharp looking, and it's Velcro, so it's adjustable, but it's light. Most watches, if they got metal on them, they cling and rattle and they're irritating. So that's why I like it. I've gone through an abundance of watches, and trust me, this one's awesome. So pick one up today. They got a variety of different colors and some different variables to how they look. Like this one has the date, and it has a moon glow, and you don't need a separate battery. It's one battery and it runs both the light and the watch. A lot of the watches will have two different batteries, and this one just lasts a long time. I haven't had to change the battery once, and it's been over a couple years now. So grab one, grab two, and then get out here and do this kind of stuff. Huh? Is this beautiful? Oh yeah. All right, have a phenomenal day.